This team is the Solar Power Engineers, and we worked on the Powered and Pumped Up Challenge. The title of our presentation is Manipulating Mirrors. My idea was to have solar panels and mirrors on the outside facing in, so it would reflect off of each other and onto the solar panels. We didn't have the magnifying glasses like we thought. They didn't help as much as we wanted them to. But we still did get enough light source into the storage so that we can put it into the habitat. We were under 750 grams. Then we hit 760 with the water. Yep.
My idea was to have mirrors over here and a magnifying glass in a cup, so that these mirrors, they would reflect the light into the magnifying glass, which would concentrate it right onto the solar panels. And this right here are the cups. But my idea didn't work out because we had a small base. The magnifying glass in the cup, which I did multiple magnifying glasses, was too heavy. And the mirrors, they just didn't go in the place that I wanted. The light wouldn't concentrate in the right place, and it just didn't work out at all. Go.
This is my idea. My idea was to, the light, and these are mirrors. My idea was to reflect light into the solar panels as a form of concentrating it into these water cups here to transport. As you can see, I'm a great artist. Now this idea over here was sunlight coming down and some magnifying glasses concentrating in, and any light that misses the solar panels will be reflected by mirrors into the solar panels. And yeah, that's about it.
This is our next idea. I had the solar panels on top of a platform with mirrors all around them, like when you're canning, you know how like they have like the folding. I kind of had it with this with angles so that it would reflect down onto the solar panels, and then like the mirrors would be in a little Dixie cup with a slanted, so it would be propped up. But the problem with this is that we didn't have as many as the small mirrors as we would like, so we couldn't use the Dixie cup idea. And then here are the two cups, so it would be, yeah. This was our first prototype. So this is a little after we started. So after we started, we noticed that the cups were casting a shadow onto the solar panels from the circle being there on the full cup. So we decided to cut it from both sides like this. We just cut it with a box cutter.
This was our final design right here. It solved the tilting problem where the light wouldn't go in with our previous design. And in our first design, we accidentally superglued the cup onto the base. So we decided to have the cups separate and have cups still glued down, but have a cup right here and a cup right here so that you can pull them out and pour it back into the design. Our final design transferred all the water in 10.88 seconds.
If we had more time and resources, we would measure the angles so it hits the solar panels directly instead of troubleshooting, spend more time editing the video, and lastly, spend more time on trying different things.